Hi, welcome back to Antai Hospitals YouTube channel, and in today's video we'd like to talk about uterine fibroids treatment at Antai Hospital. So recently we've introduced a new type of technology known as our ultra minimally invasive technique in the treatment of several gynecological diseases. So we have first introduced it in adenomyosis. If you are interested in that, please watch our previous video. This new ultra minimally invasive technique is revolutionary and is now being provided at Antai Hospital. And why it is ultra minimally invasive is because it does not involve any surgical cuts, incisions, or operations of the uterus, which means there will be no scarring and there will be no surgical incisions on the organ itself, which will dramatically reduce potential side effects and potential unwanted fertility complications. So fibroids and the uterus, both of these are fundamentally different types of tissues. They're not the same type, although it's found to be growing on one another. They're completely different. And using this ultra minimally invasive technique where we inject apoptotic agents, the same one that we use for adenomyosis, we can use for fibroids as well, regardless of where they are located. Now, although we still need to introduce 3D laparoscopic surgery as well, because we still need to enter into the pelvic cavity. However, once we enter into the pelvic cavity, we simply inject these apoptotic agents into each and every one of these fibroids. As we all know, fibroids lead to several symptoms. Although they are known to be asymptomatic, a few patients, a small group of patients, will experience some of the side effects of having fibroids, which is affecting fertility, leading to recurrent miscarriage, affecting their periods as well, and it can also cause some pain during menses as well. Furthermore, it can also lead to bulging because of the immense pressure. Depending on the size, it can lead to urinary incontinence, constipation, and a general discomfort in the pelvic region. Now, general treatment in conventional hospital, if you choose to go in any other hospital, they will firstly either use surgical removal of the uterine fibroids or surgical removal of the entire uterus, which is completely unnecessary. Although it does get the job fixed, it comes with side effects of losing the entire uterine organ, whereas using surgery removing the fibroids may cause recurrence to happen, and they may remove parts of the uterus as well, which can affect fertility and lead to unwanted complications. That's why we can avoid all of that, especially hysterectomy at Antai Hospital, simply using ultra minimally invasive technique with this apoptotic agent. Simply injected into these fibroids, and these fibroid tissues will slowly diminish and remove itself. Because it is clearly different from healthy uterine tissue, the apoptotic agent will not affect uterine tissues. It will only affect these abnormal fibroid tissues only. And upon recovery, which will take a week or two, you can see that your bulging, the pressure is diminished completely, and then you will regain normal menstrual cycle. You will regain fertility as well, especially those who are experiencing multiple failures. That could be the primary cause of your recurrent miscarriage or infertility. And we have 4 guarantees. Likewise, there will be no hysterectomy. We do not do that for fibroid patients. There will be no blood transfusions. There will be no transabdominal surgery, and there will be no more recurrence, no more recurrent miscarriage as well. These 4 guarantees included in the treatment of your fibroids using our minimally invasive technique. Now, if you do find the presence of these fibroids, or if they're recurring, or if they still affect your fertility, if you're still miscarrying, then we offer you full refund guarantee, only available at Antai Hospital, who's providing this revolutionary minimally invasive technique. Now, this technique is only available at Antai Hospital, so please get in touch with us via the website, via email, talk to our consultants. If you yourself are finding yourself to be suffering from fibroids and not wanting to go for that hysterectomy route, we are on your side, and there is a better treatment here at Antai Hospital that guarantees fertility as well. So please stay tuned to the next video, and hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave me some feedback down below as well.